If Instagram and TikTok aren't getting you the customers or the clients you need, and you're looking for a new strategy to obtain more money from services or from physical products, then you need to set up your Google My Business profile. So I want you to stay tuned on exactly how it benefits you and how you can get more customers and make more money for free 99. You can't beat this. So as promised, I wanted to come and teach you guys about Google My Business profile. So Google My Business is a free platform via Google that you can advertise your businesses. Whether you are selling products or you are offering services, this amazing platform is totally free and we do not utilize it the way we should. So I'm going to give you some benefits of it and how you can really make your profile pop so you can actually appear higher in the search engine and get more customers. So whether, again, you are selling products like hair extensions, clothing, you're a lash tech who sells supplies, or you are a hairstylist, a nail tech, or a microblader, you can utilize this to your benefit and get more customers and more calls to your business for free. So let me tell you how. So Google My Business profile is a game changer because it is free. It is somewhat like a social media platform, or you should utilize it like a social media platform in the sense that you should constantly update it with pictures. You should constantly encourage your clients to leave favorable reviews, and by doing that, it'll help your SEO. So when people are typing Houston hairstylist, you pop up first, or when they type cute dresses for going out, your profile and your business pops up first. So it helps with your SEO, it helps with keyword search, and then it in turn gives you more customers and helps you improve your overall business. I like it strictly because it works. Like when I came back to doing hair, I was trying to get customers, and for me, visibility helps. In the beginning, I didn't have the money to put behind ads, and so I needed something that was going to help me overall and continue to help me. So I utilized it to help me get more calls, the search engine optimization and building out my profile correctly by using keywords like Houston hairstylist, Houston K-tips, Houston sew-ins, allowed people who were searching Google to find those things, because you have to understand, no matter what city you're in, people are constantly moving to these cities. And even the people who have been in those cities, especially like for the beauty industry, they're always looking for the best. And if you are presenting yourself and you're making sure that your business has the most visibility, you're able to then get those customers. When I first came back to doing hair, I was like, everybody in Houston already has their hairstylist. I'm not gonna be able to get clients. Girl, that's further from the truth. You don't know everybody in Houston. You don't know everybody in Dallas. You don't know everybody in Texas. Like, there's so many people who even just fly in to get serviced by me. So by utilizing something as broad as Google, you're able to then reach a plethora of people. And then here's also a thing. One of the guys that I follow for marketing, I can't think of his name right now, but he owns ClickFunnels. I was watching one of his webinars and he was saying he had an epiphany, and he figured out that the people who search YouTube for things, so like you who's watching, you come on YouTube to find out things that you need to know, and your first course of action is to come on YouTube and type in the search bar and you find what you need to know, whether it's how to start a hair company or how to replace your tire. You come to YouTube. There are people that strictly go to TikTok, and when they want to find a Houston hairstylist, or they want to find what's the best perfume to make a man fall in love with you, they search TikTok. Then you have people who do that on Pinterest, and you have people who do that on Google. If you are trying to attract your ideal customer and you're trying to get more clientele or more customers, more bookings, you need to put yourself on every platform where your target audience would be. So for me, I like Pinterest. My target audience, they'll be on Pinterest. They're on TikTok. They're on Instagram. They're on YouTube. They search on Google, especially because of my price point with like the K-tips and the style of sew-ins I do, and then the color. I have a very targeted audience who likes a refined look. They are typically a corporate baddie, so even posting on LinkedIn would benefit me. Those type of women, I need to attract them where they are, and those women use Google. So I would encourage you guys, if you're like, well, I already post on Instagram and I already post on Facebook and I already post on TikTok, do not leave out Google. It does so much for you. It's still the largest search engine, and you're able to accumulate even more visibility, especially because the average hairstylist, nail tech, barber, they're not doing this step and they're missing out. I'm also going to encourage you to get reviews. Ask every single client that you do while they're sitting in your chair or when they come to your business to purchase your product, ask them to leave a review. Leave a QR code, send them a direct link. My CRM system, Beauty Systems, it automatically sends them a link to be able to leave a Google review, which has helped me accumulate, I think I have like 67 reviews. I need to start pushing because my goal by the end of Q2 is to have 100. And you want to encourage your customers to leave a picture in their review. Incentivize them if you have to. And I say this because Google pushes reviews with pictures even more than like the standard reviews, and the more reviews you have, especially favorable reviews, the higher you are in the search rankings, and you'll get more visibility, and in return more customers and more money. So those are just a couple of tips and tricks. Step 2 on how to set up your Google My Business profile is very simple. Just sign up. Sign up, search Google My Business, and it'll walk you through the steps and the prompts of how to sign up for your page. Once you have your page, you want to enter your name, you want to select a category, a location, and put a service area. If you have a physical location, put your address. It also helps with your rankings, and so people can easily find you. If not, skip that step. Like my hair company, it's online, there's no physical address, and so there's none there. And then you want to verify your business, so you can choose a phone, you can choose email, or they can send you a postcard to verify that you are indeed the owner of that business, so you can have control of everything. The next thing is you want to build out your profile or your bio. So again, you want to use keywords. Chat GPT it up, honey. Make sure that you actually put all the keywords. So I always use myself and hair extensions, or as a stylist as an example. So with that, again, I put Houston hair extensions, I put Houston sew-ins, I put Houston K-tips, I put Houston colorist. I put all of those keywords within my bio to be able to attract the clients that I want for the services that I want. I would also, again, put the services you offer, make it unique, and then put a call to action, so a CTA. So at the end, say book now, or visit my website, or call now type of thing, so they know what to do to actually book an appointment. So an example would be book your appointment today for flawless K-tips. So some type of CTA to round out your profile. And then the next thing is going to be adding high quality videos and pictures, and you want to constantly update this. You know, everything is run by content. So again, that's why I say think of it somewhat like a social media page. When you go months or weeks without posting on like Instagram or TikTok, you somewhat get a little shadow ban. They stop exposing your profile to as many people because you're not active on there. It's somewhat the same with Google My Business. You want to actually update it regularly. So set an alarm, a regular schedule, every Sunday or every Saturday night, you update your pictures, or Monday morning, that you update the pictures and the videos, because again, all of that visibility and all of that action on your profile, it just encourages Google to push you out even further. Another thing is, like I say, you want to make sure to get reviews to rank higher, and then you want to reply to every single review. And I love my CRM system because it automatically does it for me. So anytime anyone leaves a review, my CRM system automates, the AI built in, it automates it and it responds to them on my behalf. So there's no extra steps I have to do. It just automates a response, which is perfect, because that, again, like a social media page, it forces engagement, or it shows engagement on your profile. You want to post weekly updates and special offers. This is something that I've been slacking on, but I'm about to get on it, especially because now I have a salon and have other stylists, so I want to promote them as well. So with that being said, I'm able to showcase any specials or sales or offers that I'm doing, and then those offers, they then push out to everyone in my area, essentially. And then I'm able to get more business. I get so many calls from people who found my listing on Google, found my Google My Business profile, saw the reviews, saw the special offers, and then want to book, that have never even seen me on social media. They've never seen my Instagram. They've never seen my TikTok. It does not matter how many followers I have, because I know a lot of you are like, well, how do I get new customers if I don't have a huge following? Or how can I become a six-figure, hairstylist or beauty professional if I don't have a lot of followers? With Google My Business, it does not matter. That is not an excuse. It doesn't matter. If you are looking to get more clients today, utilize Google My Business profile and make sure that you pay attention on how to properly build it out so that you can get the results that you're looking for. Because I promise you, Google My Business has helped me out so much, especially in the beginning, and it continues to do so now. So you want to follow every single step to make sure that your profile is perfected and you can get as many clients as you want. Also, another thing I would suggest is to add your services and pricing. Be detailed in your descriptions for services. So like for K-tip extensions, you can put lightweight, natural, and last up to 4 to 6 months. And then include pricing or a link to your booking site. That helps as well. I love Google My Business also because it tracks the insights. So every month I'm able to see how many calls I got from my Google My Business profile. I'm able to see how many website visits I got. I'm able to even see then who resulted in an actual booking. So I hope this was helpful. If you want a thorough walkthrough on how you can actively build out your profile on Google My Business, have the right keywords, get the right bookings, get the best SEO and get on the front page of Google, I have a monthly marketing subscription and strategy business or membership which I have launched called Beauty CEO Club. It officially launches April 11th, and I'm so excited because I get asked all the time to mentor and to help you launch your businesses. This is an economical way for me to do that and to be able to service all of you. So somewhat like this type of video where I'm sitting down, I take it a little further. So it has a lot of looms and video recordings where you can actually see my screen. We actually build out everything. I walk you through step by step of how to do it correctly. And I not only do it for Google My Business, but I also do it. I teach you how to run your ads. I teach you how to make really good content. I teach you how to edit the content. I teach you how to find hair vendors, how to price your products, how to price your services, how to get your first client, how to get more clients, all of those things for a small monthly fee. And on April 11th, the fee is going to be very discounted. The regular price is going to be $200 a month. And then on April 11th, the price will only be $100. You cannot beat it. So it's going to be half price and you're going to love it. I'm so thorough when it comes to teaching. I leave no stone unturned. And by recording the content, you'll be able to stop and rewind, and it is a monthly fee. You can go through all the videos the first month and not pay again, but I would encourage you to take your time, learn, set everything up correctly, engage in the community, ask your questions, because I also go live, so you can ask me questions directly about your business. So if you've been looking for mentorship from me, if you've been really looking to dive into your business, then this is the chance for you to do just that. I've, again, left no stone unturned, and I'm here to fully teach you what it takes to build a six-figure business, product-based business online, but also how to get bookings as a beauty professional. In January, I made over $75,000 behind the chair. In February, or this past March, I made $50,000, and I only work 3 to 4 days a week. And then next month, my goal is $80K behind the chair. I'm actively showing you what I do and what I can do as a hairstylist. So it's not something that I'm teaching that I did in 1999. I don't even think I was old enough to do hair. But it's not something that I'm teaching from way back in the day. There are things that actively work now. And then with my hair company is passive. I don't run ads, I don't promote it, and I still make over 6 figures every year from selling hair because my systems and automations do the work for me. Like, you can't beat it. And I'm going to show you, because I'm actively putting forth effort into launching my hair company the exact way I want it to, and with all the effort and with all the God-led direction for my hair company, to really see what I can make of that. And so I'm going to show you. I've been testing out vendors. I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to walk you through everything that I do. And then also in my monthly membership club, the Beauty CEO Club, I'm also going to be going over all the steps on how you can properly launch your hair company. So if you have been waiting for mentorship from me, or you've been waiting for like hands-on coaching and more in-depth, this is the opportunity for you to join for a very affordable rate. And I know you're gonna love it, because again, I give everything that I have. I don't hold anything back when it comes to teaching. Okay, this video is getting long and I have more content to shoot, so thank you for tuning in, and I will talk to you guys soon.